Lord my God, I called to you for help and you healed me. Psalm 32. For I will restore health to you, and your wounds I will heal, declares the Lord. Jeremiah 33:6. Then your light will break forth like the dawn, and your healing will quickly appear. Then your righteousness will go before you, and the glory of the Lord will be your rear guard. Isaiah 58:8. The Lord will sustain him on his sickbed and restore him from his bed of illness. Psalm 41:3. I am the Lord who heals you. Exodus 15:26.